On today's podcast, we'll be talking about preserving hearing in industrial workplaces. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
In industrial settings such as factories and warehouses, the clamor of machinery and equipment can pose a significant risk to one's hearing health. Protecting your ears in these environments is a safety measure and a necessity for long-term well-being. Here are 5 crucial tips to help safeguard your hearing. Number 1, proper PPE and hearing protection. The most effective way to prevent hearing damage in a noisy environment is earplugs or earmuffs. Ensure that the hearing protection is suitable for the noise level in your workplace and regularly inspect and replace those devices to maintain their effectiveness. Number 2, limit exposure time. Try to minimize time spent in noisy areas. If your job requires extended periods in loud environments, take regular breaks in quieter rooms to rest your ears. Number 3, maintain safe distance from noise sources. Keep a safe distance from the loudest machines or equipment whenever possible. Sound intensity decreases as you move away from the source, so even a slight increase in space can significantly reduce the risks to your hearing. Number 4, regular hearing checkups. Regular hearing assessments are crucial for detecting early signs of hearing loss. Early detection can lead to more effective interventions and prevent further hearing deterioration. Last but not least, number 5, educate and advocate for noise control. Stay informed about the risks of noise exposure and the importance of hearing protection. Advocate for noise reduction measures in your workplace by installing sound barriers or using quieter equipment to create a safer environment for everyone. As with all of our tips, please follow the hearing protection guidelines set forth by your specific facility. By implementing these tips, workers in factories and warehouses can significantly reduce the risk of hearing damage, ensuring their safety and the longevity of their hearing abilities. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.